Hey guys, welcome to Tech Chef. I'm your host TJ, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Rode VideoMicro. This is a compact microphone with some amazing features to boot. Without further ado, let's get this unboxed. Guys, here is the Rode VideoMicro. Let's get this open and check what's included. Okay, first up, this is the mounting base for the unit. Love the red accents. Here's your cable. Little instruction manual. And here's the microphone itself with the dead cat. Can get this out. There we go. You don't have to use this. It does help in windy environments. Here's the microphone itself. Guys, first impressions, this does have a very good weight to it. Again, this is the Rode VideoMicro. Let's actually get this installed. Installation is pretty simple, and here is the audio cable. And that's how it looks, guys. This is what the audio sounds like straight out from my A6400. I am going to plug in the microphone, and then we're gonna run a few more tests. Okay guys, so I have connected the Rode VideoMicro and actually pointed the microphone towards myself. The microphone is connected onto my camera using the hot shoe mount. What I'm going to do now is run some various tests. Right now, as you're currently hearing it, this is the microphone connected to the A6400 without the Deluxe Windshield. I'm going to plug in the Deluxe Windshield right now. This is the Rode VideoMicro connected to my Sony A6400, and this is with the windshield connected. Let me know what you think of the audio. Mic test 1 2 1 2. Okay, for my next test, I'm going to remove the windshield. I am going to simulate a noisy environment. Going to power on my air conditioning. Hey guys, so this is what the audio sounds like in a noisy environment. I basically switched on my air conditioning, and that's some background noise as I'm talking while recording the video. I am now going to connect my Rode VideoMicro. Okay guys, now I've connected my Rode VideoMicro, and this is with the air conditioning on. Let me know what you think of the sound. This should sound better. Mic test 1 2. Guys, finally what I'm going to do is install the Deluxe Windshield onto the Rode VideoMicro, and we'll see what the sound is like. Hey guys, welcome back. So now I have the Rode VideoMicro with the windshield installed and my air conditioning on the back providing some ambient noise. There should be a reduction in that. I am really looking forward to getting what the sounds like. What I'm going to do is move to my usual setup, and we'll give my closing comments on there. Hey guys, welcome back. To sum things up, I just want to give a shout out to Rode. You guys made a brilliant microphone. Some of the positive points for me, which is why I purchased this in the first place, was one, it does not need batteries. When you are on location, the last thing you need to worry about is, does my microphone have enough power to last me for the day, last me for the shoot? This microphone draws its power from the camera itself, which is great. It's one less thing for me to worry about and allows me to focus to nail that shot. Another positive point would be its ease of use. It's simply plug and play. There's no other further settings that needed, and you're getting exceptional quality audio from it. It does come with a Deluxe Windshield, which I think is great. It does add some ambient noise reduction overall. One other really cool thing is it does allow you to use the Rode VideoMicro with your cell phone. I've tested this with my Huawei P30 and it works great. There is definitely an audio increase when using the Rode VideoMicro compared to using the built-in microphone on my phone. If I have to give a negative for this, I would say the cost could be something that might deter some people. There are cheaper microphones out there, but I think as with everything, you get what you pay for. The quality that you get from this, I would say, totally outweighs the negative point of that price. So I would definitely recommend, if anyone's out there looking to increase their audio game for 2020 and beyond, definitely check out the Rode VideoMicro. This is a compact little microphone with some exceptional audio quality. Guys, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section what has been your favorite video to date on this channel. Is it gonna be the Red Dragon mouse mat, which has broken well over 30,000 views? I'm curious, let me know in the comment section. I'm your host TJ and I will catch you on the next one.